Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abdullah narrates that Hazrat Abu Huraira and Hazrat Zayd bin Johni radiyallahu anhu said, a desert Arab visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, pass judgment between us in accordance with Allah's book. His opponent party got up and submitted. He has said a right thing. Pass judgment between us as per Allah's book. And then that desert Arab submitted. My son was a wage earner with him. He committed adultery with his wife. The people said, your son will be stoned to death. I thereupon ransomed my son with 100 goats and a slave girl. I then asked the scholars of its precept, and they told me, for your son is a punishment of 100 flogs and 1 year exile. The Prophet ﷺ whereupon said, I will surely pass judgment between you as per Allah's book. The slave girl and 100 goats will be returned to you. 100 flogs and 1 year banishment is for your son. And, O Unas, in the morning go to that woman and stone her to death. Hazrat Unas thereupon went to her in the morning and stoned her to death. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7193 and 7194.